Good afternoon. I'm coming to you from Bangor, Maine. I'm here at the Courtyard Inn. We actually are redeeming Marriott Bonvoy Points. I think it was 22,000 points for a free night stay. We're gonna go inside, get checked in, kind of show you what this hotel has, because Courtyard Inn is a little bit different than Hampton and Fairfield Inns and all that kind of stuff. So we're gonna go inside and get checked in and check out the room and show you what this resort has. All right, let's go make some memories.
Special shout out to our channel members. Thank you so much for all your support. If you would like to become a channel member, hit that join button down below. There are some really fun benefits. Come have a look. Thanks for watching. Hello. Business center, pretty large too. Pretty large business center, pretty. Nice lounging area here. With again the courtyard back there. There's a door access. Very nice. Here's the bistro area and some sitting area. They do serve Starbucks coffee. Here are Dan's downstairs bathrooms, the men and the women, and another door accessing the courtyard. Okay, so this is the courtyard area. They have a fire pit here. I don't think they've started it yet. Some nice outdoor seating here. And then this little really cute area over here. Yeah, it's really nice. It has grills and everything. Okay. It's a gazebo, a nice little sitting area here, and 3 grills right here. Very nice. You just, well, I don't know who left that cigarette stuff there. You saw that?
That grill's
that
clean.
one's clean, yeah.
The other one was dirty.
And then a nice trash can or whatever. There was the hotel back view. Very nice. Let's go back inside. So this is the pool. They're open till 11. They have some seating, towels, no bathroom. Well, maybe. Let's see. Oh no, it's access to the courtyard. It looks kind of dirty if you look at it a little more closely. I don't know. This is the guest laundry. It has nice new machines. Price is $3, $2 over here. So I don't know if it's different prices or if somebody left some on it. Nice little artwork here. Nice little bench area here. Garbage cans in that corner. Antibacterial cleaner in this corner, so it's nice. Cycles are 30 minutes, I'm sorry. Fitness center is open 24 hours. Machines is right next to the pool and the laundry. Little one exercising, do it right, be careful.
Oh, it's heavy.
The weights,
I can't do
water station, towels, more antibacterial stuff, cups for water, place to put your towels, TV up there, an AC unit there. Small but effective.
All right, so coming off the elevator on the 3rd floor, we see we got ice. There's the ice machine there. And then I got a good room number. I got the room number that says Austin 316 just whipped your ass. Stone Cold Steve Austin. Not gonna forget that number. All right, so let's see. Oh, it's chilly in this room. I always show you guys the maximum room rate. $999. What the? Alright, so here's the room. We usually don't stay at courtyards that often. It's the first courtyard we've done in a while. Toilet. There's a place to sit down in the shower, which is a little weird. I think we might have accidentally selected a handicap accessible room, but we redeemed points, so this hotel was free. It's not costing us nothing. It's got a connecting room, which we don't always love. Let's see, we've got microwave. Oh, a red microwave. I don't think I've ever in my life seen a red microwave oven. That's interesting. Cupboard space. We got a nice mini fridge down here, and it is nice and cold. Let's see, we got some Rainforest Blend Cafe coffee. Interesting. Oh wow, there's a giant closet over here. It's dark. That's a huge closet. Has a funny smell in it, but it's a big closet. Does it close? Apparently this closet doesn't close. I think that's been open for years, this closet, because it does not close. Oh well, we don't need it to close anyway. Then we got ourselves 2 queen-size beds. Got ourselves, what's this? What's in here? Oh, like an armoire. There's a place to hang up your clothes, ironing board, a bunch of hangers. That's pretty good. Got a TV. On the other side of the bed, there's a nice big couch over here. Check that out with a little table. You can set your drinks or your snacks there and watch TV. I'm gonna have to come and sit over there tonight and watch something. There's another chair over here and desk space, which is good. What's our view of? The lady at the check-in told us there was a fire pit. Oh yeah, there it is right there. There's a fire pit down there. She said that they do light it at nighttime, so I'm guessing as soon as the sun goes down, they probably light that. And there's about 6 chairs that you can sit around it, so we may go check that out tonight and at least go walk down there. Yeah, so this is your basic room tour. It's a pretty good sized room. Like I said, I don't know if we chose a handicap accessible room or what, or if they're all just this spacious. I'm not sure. Pretty good looking room. We're gonna enjoy our evening here. Good chilly morning to you guys. We just got finished with our stay here at the Courtyard Inn. You saw what the hotel room looked like and the hotel itself. Nice hotel. We wish you could have taken advantage of some of the stuff that was outside, like the fire pit, but it was just too darn cold last night. Us Floridians are not used to this 50-degree weather. Ugh. It's freezing. If you like our hotel reviews, hit that like button. Leave me a comment down below. You ever been through Bangor before? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Or if you're from Bangor, let me know. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Safe travels, and we will see you soon.